If you're on the hunt for the best track saws of 2024, you're in the right place. After testing countless models, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 track saws that truly stand out in terms of precision, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, finding the right track saw can make all the difference in your projects. So, if you're eager to discover which track saw will be your perfect match, stick around until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's talk about the Makita 6 and 1/2 INCH plunge circular saw. This tool is pretty impressive if you're looking to step up your woodworking game. You know those frustrating moments when you're trying to get a clean, splinter-free cut? This saw might just be the answer. Its 12 amp motor packs a punch, cutting through different materials smoothly and precisely. It's almost like having a high-end table saw in your hand. One thing that really caught my eye is the electronic speed control. It keeps the speed steady even when you're putting pressure on it, which is super helpful when you're working with tougher materials. And get this, there's a variable speed dial that lets you adjust from 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute. It's like having multiple saws in one, adapting to whatever you're cutting, safety-wise. It's got some nice features too. The gentle startup is great if you've ever been spooked by a saw suddenly kicking to life. There's also a current limiter built in, which helps prevent the motor from burning out. Always a plus for longevity. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The price tag might make you wince if you're just a weekend warrior or casual DIY. And while the corded design means consistent power, you might miss the freedom of a cordless tool. Oh, and heads up, while it has a dust port, you'll probably want to invest in a proper dust collector for the best results. One more thing worth mentioning, this Makita saw is built to last and plays nice with festal accessories, which adds to its versatility. It's the kind of tool that serious woodworkers and pros will appreciate, even if it might be overkill for occasional use. So if you're after a saw that combines power, precision, and some user-friendly features, and you're willing to invest a bit more, this Makita model is definitely worth a look. I've put a link in the description if you want to check out more details or grab one for yourself. Let's dive into the SkillSaw Circular Saw 16 and 5/16 model SPD 70 V11. This powerhouse has been making waves among professionals and DIYers alike. If you've ever faced the challenge of cutting through thick lumber, you know the struggle. This saw could be your solution. With a cutting depth of 6¼ inches, it effortlessly slices through 6 BY lumber. Say goodbye to multiple passes and uneven cuts. Here's where it gets exciting. This saw features a 15 amp dual-field motor engineered to stay cool under pressure. Whether you're tackling tough materials like concrete or dense wood, it maintains its power, delivering smooth cuts consistently. Plus, it's constructed from magnesium, making it incredibly durable without being overly heavy, a real bonus when you're carrying it around all day. However, it's not without its quirks. Some users have noted that the blade guard can be a bit finicky, which might be frustrating during plunge cuts. And while it's lighter than some competitors, at over 27 pounds, it's not exactly lightweight. Your ARMS might feel the burn after a full day of use. So, why do people rave about it? The magnesium footplate ensures your cuts are straight and precise, essential for professional-grade work. The design is also quite user-friendly, featuring an extra handle for better control, so you're not wrestling with it all day. Now, let's discuss the price. It's not the cheapest option out there, but consider this. You're investing in a saw that's built to withstand heavy use and can tackle almost any task you throw at it. If you're serious about cutting and do it frequently, it might be worth the investment. For more details, check out the link in the description. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a top-tier saw. Introducing the DeWalt 6 and 1/2 INCH circular track saw, a tool that has truly impressed me over time. If you've ever struggled with jagged edges or misaligned cuts, this saw could be your solution. Its zero-clearance track system ensures perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts in both directions, almost like having a guiding hand with every slice. The 12 amp motor is a powerhouse, effortlessly slicing through hardwoods up to 2 1/8 inches thick. Safety is a priority with this tool, featuring an anti-kickback mechanism and a riving knife to keep you safe while handling its robust power. However, it's not without ITS drawbacks. The saw is a bit hefty, which can be cumbersome during extended use or frequent transport. Additionally, there's a learning curve with the forward/down motion to lower the blade. It took me some time to get accustomed to it, but once you do, it becomes second nature. One feature I particularly appreciate is the dust management. When connected to a vacuum, it keeps your workspace remarkably clean, which is a blessing for your lungs and overall health. Regarding the price, it's on the higher end, but considering the quality and performance, it's a worthwhile investment for those serious about woodworking. Whether you're a professional or an avid DIY enthusiast, the precision and user-friendliness can significantly enhance productivity, especially on larger projects. In summary, DeWalt's circular track saw is a reliable tool that delivers on its promises. While not flawless, it comes pretty close. If you're considering upgrading your workshop, this saw might be just what you need. For more information or to purchase, check out the link in the description. Let's dive into the Bosch 18-volt circular saw. After using this tool for some time, I must say, it's quite remarkable. If you're fed up with being restricted by cords, this saw could be the solution. It offers the flexibility to move freely around your workspace without any hassle. What truly sets this saw apart is its factor performance. It delivers power comparable to corded saws, which was a pleasant surprise. I've tested it on challenging materials like knotty pine, and it performed exceptionally well. Additionally, its lightweight design ensures you won't feel fatigued, even after a full day of use. One feature I find particularly valuable is the Eco Mode. It extends the battery life by about 30%, which is incredibly useful during lengthy projects. And the one-touch depth adjustment is a game changer. It's one of those features you don't realize you need until you have it. Making quick adjustments with just one hand is incredibly convenient. However, it's not without its downsides. The saw doesn't include the core 18-volt batteries, so that's an additional cost to consider. While the Eco Mode is helpful, battery can still deplete quickly if you're pushing the saw hard. Also, some users might miss having a locking mechanism for the plunge feature. Despite these minor drawbacks, I believe the Bosch 18-volt circular saw is a worthy investment. The 5-year warranty and generous return policy provide peace of mind, whether you're a professional or enjoy tackling DIY projects on weekends. This saw is worth considering. If you're interested in learning more, there's a link in the description where you can check out. Next up is the DeWalt 60-volt track saw kit, a tool that has truly impressed me over time. If you've ever found yourself struggling to achieve those smooth, precise cuts, especially in cabinetry or detailed finish work, this saw could be the game changer you need. The zero-clearance track saw cutting system ensures perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts, making it a reliable choice for precision tasks. One standout feature is its cutting depth. It can reach up to 2 1/8 inches at a 90-degree angle, which is ideal for working with thicker materials. The depth scale is incredibly accurate, taking the track thickness into account, so you can say goodbye to any guesswork. In terms of safety, this saw has you covered. The anti kickback mechanism and riving knife provide added security, and the straight plunge mechanism is comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. It's certainly on the higher side. For professionals or dedicated DIY enthusiasts, precision and power it offers might justify the investment. The 60-volt battery system is robust, and the battery life is decent, so an extra battery in the kit will have been appreciated. Dust collection is another aspect worth mentioning. The universal dust port claims to be 90% efficient, but I've noticed some dust can still escape. It's not a major issue, but something to consider if you're working in a tidy environment. Setting up the saw can be a bit challenging initially. Watching a few instructional videos can be helpful. Once set up, it operates smoothly. However, note that there's no 45-degree bevel stop, and you might need additional tools for adjustments. One minor gripe is the lack of included accessories. An extra battery or a longer track would have been nice additions, straight out of the box. Overall, DeWalt Track Saw is a solid piece of equipment. While it has its quirks, precision and durability make it a strong contender for anyone looking to elevate their woodworking skills. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description below.